How do you merge branches in Visual Studio? So first you want to open up your Visual Studio project and then open up the Git repository window by going to Git from the top here. And then you want to click on Manage Branches, or you can click on View and Git repository. It will open up the same window. Now all you need to do is check out the branch that you want to merge into the target branch. So for example, this one right here. Right click and check it out by clicking checkout. And then you want to look for the branch that you want to merge from. So you can select the other branch, right click on it, and then click on merge into current branch, which you should find in the list. And then you will be able to resolve conflicts if prompted. And then you can commit the merge changes if required. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.